Okay, so we just wanted to give you a little tour of our little survival kits here. So this is Kenny's. I'll show you it.
Okay. That comes off if you want it to come off. Okay. First we have two carabiners.
Yep.
And then we have some homemade rope. Twine up rope. And then we have pepper and salt.
And then over here, he has some waterproof matches.
Of garlic.
And then down here, there's first aid stuff. There's some Band-Aids and cream and stuff.
Yeah.
Right here, he has beans, rice, and I forgot what that's called. So,
and then right here, I have
there's a
knife
with a sheath
homemade sheath.
Yep. So that's his.
Mine.
Okay, now I'll show you mine. So, okay, so in this little compartment, I have more carabiners, like he has.
Want me to film?
And then right here, pencil. I don't know why I have that. And then little scissors. So that's what I have in there. Yeah, here. So, yep, that's what I have in there. And then I have this little compartment. I have fishing stuff like hooks, line. Yep. And then over here, I have a little flashlight. Can be a screwdriver too, because there's these bits here. You take them out and you stick them in there. And then here I have, I already showed you that. And then over here, I have first aid stuff. And then inside the big compartment, I have a knife, little raincoat thing, matches, a tiny little hatchet, a knife, rope, these little heater things, lighter, matches, a candle, a whistle. So that's what I have in there. And then I have one more compartment. And here's all my food. It's the same as in the other one. And then I have more food in here. And then I have a cup to gather water. I have a little hatchet and a machete. So yeah. That's our little, wait, I have one more thing. I have a multi-tool. I have that. So that's our little survival kits. Gotta put this away. Like that.